What if I told you that just $10 could be the seed to grow a $1,000 income stream? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the kicker. People are doing this every day. And no, it's not gambling, it's not crypto, and it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a proven strategy you can start today, even if you're broke. We're talking about the power of digital leverage and how you can use it to turn a tiny investment into a massive return. I'm talking about building a real sustainable income stream, one $10 product at a time. So, if you're ready to ditch the excuses and unlock your earning potential, buckle up. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact 4-step system to turn that $10 bill into a $1,000 a month money-making machine. Let's get it. Alright, so you've got your $10, that's your seed money, your ticket to the game. Now the goal here is to turn that $10 into something that can generate income over and over again. That's where digital products come in. Think about it. Things like ebooks, templates, online courses, stock photos, designs, you name it. These are products with virtually zero production cost after the initial creation. You create it once, and you can sell it an unlimited number of times. So, where do you find these magical digital products? Easy. Websites like Etsy, Creative Market, and Gumroad are absolutely packed with them. You can find everything from social media templates to website themes to budgeting spreadsheets. And the best part is, you can snag some absolute gems for under $10. Let's say you find a really well-designed planner template for $10. You buy it. Boom! You now own the rights to that product. You can resell it as is. You can bundle it with other products. You can even customize it and make it your own. That, my friends, is the beauty of digital leverage. You pay once and you have the potential to sell it forever. No inventory to worry about, no shipping costs, no dealing with physical products. It's all digital, all online, and all scalable. Okay, so you've got your $10 digital product. Now it's time to turn it into something truly unique and appealing to your target audience. And the best part? You don't need to be a design whiz to do this. Canva, my friends. Canva is your new best friend. It's a free online design tool that's incredibly user-friendly, even if you've never designed a thing in your life. With Canva, you can customize the heck out of your $10 template. Change the colors, add your own branding elements, slap your logo on there, switch up the fonts. Get creative. You can even create different versions of the same product to target different niches. Let's stick with the planner example. You could create a student planner, a fitness goal tracker, a social media content calendar, all using the same base template. Suddenly you've got a whole product line, each with its own unique look and target audience. By repackaging and rebranding, you're adding value, you're differentiating yourself from the competition, and you're making your $10 investment look like $1 million. Alright, time to get your product in front of the people who are actually going to buy it. And here's the best part, you don't need to spend a dime on ads. We're going the organic marketing route, baby. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and PayHip are perfect for selling digital products. They're easy to use, they have built-in audiences, and they take care of all the technical stuff for you like payment processing and download delivery. Now to drive traffic to your listings, we're going to leverage the power of free social media. TikTok, Instagram Reels, Pinterest, YouTube Shorts. These platforms are absolute goldmines for promoting digital products. Why? Because people love visual content. Create eye-catching videos or image carousels showcasing your product in action. Think quick tutorials, before and afters, customer testimonials, anything that grabs attention and highlights the value of what you're selling. And don't forget about the power of hashtags. Research relevant keywords in your niche and use a mix of broad and specific hashtags to get your content seen by the right people. Oh, and one more thing, AI tools. ChatGPT, Bard. There are tons of free AI tools out there that can help you write compelling product descriptions, craft attention-grabbing headlines, and optimize your listings for search engines. So, the orders are rolling in, you're making sales, and that $10 investment is officially starting to pay off. Now it's time to scale things up and really turn this into a passive income machine. First things first, automate everything you can. The beauty of digital products is that once someone buys it, the delivery process can be completely automated. Use tools like Zapier or Integromat to connect your payment processor to your delivery platform. That way, when someone makes a purchase, they automatically receive a download link. No manual work needed on your end. Next, think about outsourcing. As your income grows, consider hiring freelancers to help with tasks like design, customer service, or even creating new products. This frees up your time to focus on the bigger picture, strategy, marketing, and growing your business. And finally, reinvest your profits. Take a portion of the money you're making and plow it back into your business. Buy more templates, create new products, experiment with paid advertising. The more you reinvest, the faster your income will grow. By week 2 or 3 of consistently implementing this strategy, you could easily be making $10 to $50 a day. That's $300 to $1,500 per month, all from a single $10 investment, and the best part is, this is just the beginning. The more you learn, the more you experiment, the more you scale, the higher your income potential becomes. So there you have it. The foolproof method to turn $10 into a $1,000 a month income stream. No excuses, no BS, just a proven strategy that anyone can use. Ready to turn that $10 into a money-making machine? Start today. Don't wait for permission to grow your income. The power is in your hands. Like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe for more money-making strategies just like this one. And drop a comment below. Would you try this method? Let's talk side hustles.